and welcome to my channel, guys. As was stated in the title of this video, I'm going to be going over my home office tour. Guys, this is my office. A quick pan of the area. You can see my desk, my husband's desk, and the futon area that I had mentioned. So let's get back into my desk. It is the IKEA Alex desk, and we just kind of added the two drawers on either side and put a little extra support beam under there. And then we have the long wooden slab on top of it, held together by Velcro adhesives. And then going into the actual desk space, I put a lot of rose gold and pink accents like I had mentioned. And I got all of this stuff basically from Amazon. The rose gold office supplies, table file, and the book holder over there are all from Amazon. And I got this beautiful print from Society 6. I also added some plants just to make the space a little more cozy. My desk raiser is also from Amazon, and then I just have the generic Apple keyboard and mouse. One of the things that I love about this area as well, I just started a YouTube channel and I really wanted the space to be somewhere that I can really enjoy, really be inspired by. So I created this vision board to go right above my desk area. It really centers the whole desk and just provides for a more calm environment. Just supposed to be for a little inspiration. And it really just centers the desk and the desk design. For my chair, I got a really affordable, generic white looking chair from Amazon. It's really simple to put together. I did it myself, which kind of says a lot. It took me like a half an hour. I'll put the link below if I can find it. But yeah, it's really simple. We have a simple printer and scanner, nothing fancy. Under my desk, I do have some cord management here going on. It's not looking the best right now, but it works perfectly. Just to bring all the cords up and put them on my desk. This is the charger for my Apple Watch, my AirPods, which I also use for my phone, and it just works perfectly right there. One thing I love about this office space is that it has a lot of lighting coming through. You can kind of see it when I was shooting, but it also helps to just keep a productive environment. And then we come right back to the futon. We do have some storage space behind there, which is great. And then we have a shredder, which is imperative, and a trash can. At the moment, I do have this as my mouse pad. I actually have a plain simple black mouse pad with wrist support coming in today. I just needed something to make it easier glide than the actual desk. I do like to keep both of my journals here. So I have one that's actually a planner for 2021. And then I also have an aspirations notebook, and I got some tabs on it and everything. This is a wonderful, wonderful little journal. I forgot where I got it from. Could have been from Amazon, could have been from like Marshall's. If you stuck around for the end of this video, I appreciate it so much. If you want to stick around and see more of my experience in Germany and as a military spouse, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any ideas on how to improve someone's desk or ideas on where you got the cool stuff on your desk, please put it below in the comment section and like this video if you really did like it and appreciated its content. Feel free to also catch me on Instagram and keep up with my Vlogmas series happening up until Christmas. Again, thanks for watching. Bye.